If I'm so jumpy, well, that wasn't an intro. Sorry, guys. If I'm jumpy, because there is a dog in my hand. I don't want to die from it. Ow! She's really jumpy, as you can tell. She's a hyper dog. She's hyperactive. There, take her. That dog, though. Wow, that dog is annoying. The dog was pulling me, Jamie. Dog was
Baby, I can't hold you.
Hey, baby.
Put the phone down so you can take him out. I got all nasties on me.
Okay, you guys. Y'all see me in a second because I gotta take care of your baby.
Stay in there. Where's your bottle? Hang on. I don't know if it's down there or down there.
I'll let Brittany has it. Oh, there you go.
I think he's got teeth in it. Nasty.
Sweet tea.
Nasty.
Come on, you need a sippy cup.
Yep.
Don't you need to start putting you on a sippy cup? Pop when they turn a little bit.
I'm really bored, so I'm on my dad's show. Tristan, my cousin, say hi. Say hi. Hi. Yeah, that's you.
That'd be good.
That's you. That's you.
Here, let me give Anthony the hug.
Your baby. So cute. Your baby.
It's our anniversary.
You got black stuff all.
The baby is so cute. So distracted.
How many years? 90?
Chloe, stop.
Build that weight on it.
Chloe, stop. That's Chloe, the Doge. The Doge. The Doge.
Come here.
It's the cat.
Thank you, Brittany.
It ain't no cat, it's a dog.
Yeah, thanks.
There was a black cat a minute ago.
Thank you, baby. Thank you, James.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Yeah, baby.
The doggy. Bye, doggy. Bye, Brittany. Bye, Aunt Doreen. Bye, Joyce. She lives with dying. I don't know what to do. Why they're just sunken to the side. Nope, I want to disrespect the rules to go with me.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye, doggy. Bye, doggy. Bye, doggy. Bye, doggy. I'll be inside my video. Bye.
Release was approved by Dr. Charles Nichols.
Josie, just next time let out your water, okay?
Yeah, okay. As you can tell, it's nighttime. I can only make 15-minute videos, so I'll probably make some part twos in my life. Probably some part twos. Get your big belly out of my face.
You're not British, you're Australian.
Get out of my face. 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 I'll kick you in the vagina. Even though there's boy watchers.
Let me see.
No.
Let me see so I can say something. I can't. Sorry.
Curse you all.
Hi.
Curse you all, you just did.
Just let out your bath water, okay? Better not happen next time I'll tell Dad.
It zoomed all the way in. Now stop doing that to my headphones. I hate that. I like my headphones on. Not
Get off her.
Ow!
Bad
Stop.
sister. Bad sister.
I hate you in my belly. Child, come near
Where's
me.
my ice cream?
Just
I want
wait.
some ice cream.
I'm just kidding.
You just wait. You could get your bath first.
Okay. Bye bye, hun. No.
Dad, I'll beat you.
Preparing to embark on the foot-blowing fest. A foot-long promotion of Memphis size proportions. The reviews stars get
I didn't do anything.
long crafted by these captains of
You can't find me now, Jamie.
premium subs. Only foot-long on the menu for just $6.
Guys, I'm hiding.
So keep jumping.
Guys, I'm hiding.
Because the $6
I'm really freaking hiding from her. That's how scared I am right now. Like, don't kill me. Well, y'all are gonna be hiding in the vent, so goodbye.